Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and today I'm going to be doing this whole look, whole face, eyeshadows, everything for New Year's. This is how I would normally do my makeup. Well, not like this, but something like very dramatic, something elegant, I guess. I don't know, but we just go all out for New Year's even though we just celebrated right here in my living room. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends if you liked it, and if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week. This shirt is going down. Okay. Oh, and before we continue, let me know in the comments below what you do to celebrate New Year's. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so my skin is already prepped and primed. I didn't put primer, but I just used moisturizer as a primer. Second coffee of the day. I don't really want to go for a dewy look, but I am going to use this foundation from Maybelline, the Dewy and Smooth foundation. This is for normal to dry skin. I do get oily on my nose, so don't be afraid. If you have combination skin, don't be afraid to use different foundations. For my nose area, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro.Matte foundation. This is really matte foundation, so I'm just going to apply that one around my nose and the Maybelline on the rest of my face. And I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge. I love how matte this foundation is. And you can see how dewy the Maybelline foundation is. Now I'm going to apply this LA Girl concealer under my eyes, forehead, and on my chin. A little bit on my nose too. And since I already put foundation under my eyes, I'm not going to put a lot of concealer. I normally stay away from under my eyes, but this time I put foundation, so I'm not going to put a lot of concealer. And it's a good thing I didn't do my eyebrows first because they are full of foundation right now. I'm going to get some of this Milk Makeup loose powder with the same sponge and put that under my eyes and pretty much anywhere I applied the concealer. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with this Rimmel Stay Matte Press Powder. If I wanted the foundation to stay dewy, I would not put this powder because this powder makes the foundation matte. It leaves your skin matte, but that's not really the reason why I use that foundation. I used it because I love the coverage and the formula. I like that it's lightweight, but for this look, it doesn't really matter if it's dewy or not. To bronze up my face, I'm going to use this Anastasia light to medium contour kit, and I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush brush to apply that to my face. I'm going to tap it. There's a hair. Tap it on first, and then blend it out. Can't really tell if it's too much because the softboxes are like blinding me, but I think this is good. I am gonna get the Luxie 229 tapered blending brush. I got a little bit of the contour and I'm just going to apply that mainly on the tip of my nose, kind of contour it. I do get a few comments saying, I wish you contour your nose more. But honestly, I'm not really good at doing that. Sometimes it just looks, I don't know. That's why I don't do it so often, and sometimes I do feel like it's necessary. And then since I'm not going to do like a lot of colors on my eyes, I do want to apply blush. Because if I do colorful looks, I don't like to apply blush. But I'm going to apply this one from Milani using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush brush. And this is actually my favorite blush shade for my skin tone. I feel like it just looks the best. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows. If you want to see a tutorial on how I did that, I will put the video in the description box below. Now I'm going to go in with the same LA Girl concealer on my eyelid and use this as my eyeshadow primer. I'm going to get some of this translucent powder from Rimmel and set my eyelid. The first shade I'm going to use is going to be this gray one right here, and I'm going to use this as a transition shade. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. I mean, not my eyelid, on my crease using the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush. So that's the first layer of the eyeshadow. I want it to be a bit darker, so I'm going to dip the brush in the same eyeshadow again and apply that on the crease and start blending it out in circular motions. I'm going to add a little bit more right on this outer corner right here. I'm going to tap it on and then start blending it out towards the tail of my eyebrow over here. I'm going to get the same eyeshadow with this very small brush from Coastal Scents and apply that on my lower lash line. And again, that's just one layer, but you can see it's a little bit darker. So I'm going to get a little bit more and apply it over that. I'm going to get a different crease brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics and go into the black eyeshadow from the same palette. I'm going to tap it right on the outer part of my eyelid. And you can see it's very pigmented, so once I tap it on there, I'm going to start blending it out with the same brush up towards the crease and towards the tail of my eyebrow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I added a little bit more of the black on the inner corners. I got the small brush again from Coastal Scents and I just literally going to tap it right on the outer corner. And that's it. Just tap it there. And try not to blend it out that much. Unless it looks like really bad, but I want it to be very dark right there. And it doesn't matter how it looks right there because the shimmery eyeshadow is going to cover that anyways. So I'm going to use the Anastasia A2 brush to apply the shimmery eyeshadow right on the center. I'm going to apply this eyeliner from Winky Lux. This one is waterproof eye pencil and it's very creamy, my first time using it. And it's so easy to apply a very quick eyeliner. This one is so creamy and it glides on very smooth, just like the Urban Decay 24/7 glide on eye pencils. And this one's waterproof. That is amazing. I just bought these eyelashes from Ardell yesterday and I feel like they go really good with this look. They don't look so dramatic. It just looks super cute. The mascara I'm going to use is also from Winky Lux, and as you can see I already have it on these eyelashes over here and I loved it. I love the way it separates my eyelashes. It dries really quick and I love that because I can apply the second layer right away. It just makes it a lot easier to apply mascara. I already tried a lipstick on, but I tried taking it off because I don't know if I'm going to go with that one. But I'm going to apply the highlight. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics and Defensor highlighter. I haven't used this one in a while, so I'm pretty excited to use it again. God, I forgot how much I loved this highlight. I used to wear it every day. It just has a very gorgeous shade that goes with any skin tone. Forgot to apply it before my eyelashes, but nothing happened. If you want your makeup to last all night, use the Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. This one's the travel size, cherry scented. And that's my favorite one to use because it really makes your makeup stay on for a long time. I don't know. I wanted to do something to my hair because I just took a shower and this is my natural hair now. But then I don't want to damage it. Well, I don't think this is that bad, right? Because, I mean, it has volume, kind of. And if I straighten it, it's just going to go because my hair is flat. Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope... My lips, oh my god. I'll just go with this one. This one's the Anastasia Spice Matte lipstick. It's a very tiny one. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope oh my god. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. Would you wear this for New Year's or any party? Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like this video. Share it with your friends, and I do want to give a few shout outs today. The first one goes to Laura Remen. Thank you for subscribing. Laura Daniela, thank you for always commenting in my videos. Brianna Valencia and Liliana Guzman, thank you so much for commenting in my videos, for showing your love and your support in my videos. That really means so much to me. Mwah. I love you guys, and if you want a shout out in my next English video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and let me know in the comments below that you want a shout out. And if you are new, first don't forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comments below that you're new, and if you want, let me know where you're from and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.